Why are you cracking up? Aisha? Aisha? Are you okay? You okay?
What?
What? Are you okay?
What?
Are you okay?
Why are you asking that?
Because what you're laughing at. Or what are you laughing at?
My dog?
Why?
Because I chased his ass around the freaking house and he still runs into the wall. He forgets about that turn.
You are so hyper. Guess what?
What?
I just put that on YouTube.